So I got my new power supply. I just want to show you guys. It's an Antec High Current Pro. It's the 1300 watt Platinum series with the 7-year warranty. And you can save up to 25% max on your energy. I'm just going to show you the unboxing, but I'm not going to go over all the wires because I don't know maybe all the technical terms for all the wires. Sorry, I'm running with a cold. This is OC Link. It just means you can run a wire from one power supply to another power supply in the same current, like, generation brand kind of thing, which means like you can have like 1,000 watt here and a 1,200 here, and you can run just 1,000 off your video cards or off your hard drives or whatever you want to do. You can dedicate one power supply to a certain component area of the PC. It has darkened wires, black and invisible, and a 16-pin socket, and you got maximum flexibility, so you can go 16-pin, 2x8-pin, 14-pin, 12-pin, and 10-pin. Okay, I cut this open already to show you. So when you open it, you get the two Antec logos here. Take this off, and everything's sleeved here. Here's the power supply on this side, and here's the wires. Okay, let me just put you guys down, and I'll open up the bags, and I'll come right back to you. Okay, opening up power supply. Let's throw that guy there, and opening cable. What the cables look like. Alright, sorry about that. Okay. Here's the power supply itself. If you want to know the ratings, it runs 200 amps on the 12 volt rails, and that's and you can run it at 100%, which is good. Here's the design. Oh, let me tip this up. Get better lighting here. Here's your OC link. Here's to the motherboard, 24-pin socket or whatever the new stuff is. And here's all your other modular cables. 1300 watt continuous power, the Platinum edition. Here's the fan. Here's the back of it. Inside, I heard it's really clean inside, the design. As you can kind of see a little bit past the fan. In terms of cable, they're all black stealth wired, which is really nice. They're all sleeved. They all got that sleeved on them. And each one's labeled power supply only on whatever side. So you can't mix up which way to plug in your cables. Like, for instance, like these don't matter, but like these guys, it will tell you only plug this end into your power supply and then this end into your video card or your motherboard, whatever that one is. Let's take a look at the power cable. Let's put you down for a sec. Okay, we're back. Okay, here's the power cable. It's your standard power cable. It's not a prioritized power cable. Let me get this. It's just your standard one. My Antec 1200, the Quattro, has a prioritized power supply, so you have to use that Pacific cable. But this is a heavy duty cable. I just recommend using something this thick if this one breaks in the future, but likely it's not going to. Here's a guide with all the connectors. Here's your Antec